Okhla Bird Sanctuary. We have reached watch tower number 2. Actually that is covered, the board is covered by bushes around. I will show you the board. Watch tower number 2. Let's see. Uh, it looks quite haunted actually. Appears no one has gone down this path for a very long time. Oh, I can see a peacock there. Well, I've been here for more than 1.5 hours and I haven't seen even a single visitor here. I saw one man looking after buffaloes, but not a single visitor. I'm a bit scared going down that lane because this is my first visit to this place and this is quite haunted. I don't know what I'm going to get as I move on. Quite interesting. Let me capture the view for you. Watchtower number 2, Okhla Bird Sanctuary. Not a single visitor. I don't think that watchtower has been maintained for a bird watcher like me. Oh my god. I don't know, should I be going? No one. The board was covered by bushes. Oh my god. Oh. I hope it doesn't break. We're supposed to see birds and other things trapped. I think flora and fauna has grown too much and I see a little bit of water there, but nothing has been maintained. It's hardly a watchtower. Oh my god, it's not a watchtower anymore. It's quite damaged. I don't know. No, it is not maintained. So this is the condition of watchtower 1 or watchtower 2. Hardly a watchtower. See, plants have grown in abundance here. I see a man working somewhere in the farms. I don't know why the person is going and hiding after seeing me. God knows. So, friends, this is the watchtower. This is hardly a watchtower. Nothing to watch because nothing can be there. So this is the pathetic condition. Though the place looks good, but this watchtower has not been maintained at all. I don't know what is happening here. Branches. तो यहाँ पे जो टूरिस्ट हैं वो कब आते हैं? किस टाइम पे आते हैं टूरिस्ट वगैरह यहाँ पे?
बस ऐसे ही आते रहे, जब जिसको टाइम हो तो अपना घूमने फिरने वाले, वो फोटो वोटो चिड़िया विड़िया उनके खींच के ले जाए। अभी दोपहर में आ जाओ।
हाँ, मैं तो सुबह आया था तो कोई मुझे अभी तक तो कोई दिखा नहीं।
ये दो तो अभी गए।
अच्छा,
इधर को उतर के होगा, वो उधर को चले गए।
हाँ ये हो सकता है। मैं पीछे से आ रहा हूँ दूसरी तरफ से ना, शाहीन बाग की तरफ से। trip to this watchtower.